Identity is really at the center of data-driven TV. If you think about the ability for a marketer to reach an audience across different distribution points in an increasingly fragmented environment, identity and being able to understand that audience across those different devices and distributors is the foundation. However, doing that is increasingly difficult because consumers are watching content across a number of different devices and across a number of different access points. So identity is a really important challenge to solve, but it's also a very large challenge to solve. At FreeWheel, we understand the needs of the TV ecosystem because we've been serving that industry base for quite some time. And we understand that in order to build that identity, it requires a number of industry participants to come together and establish the identity layer. So we're taking a decentralized approach where everyone can maintain complete control over their data, but connect into a platform that allows marketers to reach an audience seamlessly.
So the elements of an identity graph, if you will, could vary between programmers or distributors, or?
Absolutely. So if you think about the nature of TV viewing today, it's really done in an extremely fragmented way where MVPDs have an access point for a large audience pool, but it's regional in nature. And programmers with digital distribution are able to understand an audience on those digital touch points. But being able to tie those pieces together into one holistic view of an audience requires collaboration and participation across the industry. So being able to connect into a shared understanding of an audience is existential for the long-term viability and health of the ecosystem.
So how does that work in terms of privacy and sharing information, and what is shared and how is it protected?
So privacy is a really important piece of the puzzle, and advertisers, media companies all understand that privacy is really critical when it comes to maintaining audience protections. In order to participate in a platform like ours, what we are doing is we're providing a software-based approach that de-identifies a lot of these data sets, but still allows them to be connected together. And by connecting data, once it's been de-identified, you can know you're talking about the same person, but you don't share any data directly with anyone. Blockchain is a tool that we're using to help marketers and media companies safely access audience insights across the ecosystem. But it is just that, a tool. We're heavily inspired by a lot of the cryptographic nature and the ability to anonymize data sets that blockchain provided. We're also very heavily influenced by the decentralized nature of some of these blockchain platforms. So blockchain is a tool we're using to help provide the ecosystem with the ability to access data in a secure way. So we're in a really exciting time within the Blockgraph platform, and with NBC, what we're doing right now is we're working together between Comcast and NBC to do a pilot to understand, for NBC, can we do a data match between those two companies without requiring a third party in the middle to provide that matching service. And once you're able to establish that data match, we can enable an addressable VOD campaign for a given set of use cases. So this is a really exciting pilot. We're doing a lot of testing together with NBC and their team there, and incorporating a lot of our findings to make sure that the product that we're building is a really compelling one for marketers. We believe that we're building a bridge towards the future of data-driven TV, and we've got a group of partners that are really committed to this vision with us, and we're working side by side with those partners to make it a reality. So my vision for Blockgraph and our vision collectively at Comcast is to create a platform for marketers to access data securely and safely, and for media companies to be able to maintain control of their data and protect the audience insights that they're providing to marketers.
We're going to be at Cannes pretty soon.
Yeah.
A lot of excitement. What do you hope the impact of Blockgraph and the whole conversation will be at Cannes, and What are your expectations?
Well, I think there are going to be a number of announcements and excitement around data-driven TV, addressability, and identity at Cannes this year, and we're really excited to be part of that conversation. We believe that Blockgraph is a great tool towards the future of addressability, and we're really excited to take part in those discussions.